A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here in Bentivoglio at Marposs SPA, and it's good to meet Federico. Thank you, Federico, for hosting us at your beautiful facility. I know time is short; it's a busy day. You have to meet a lot of customers, but thank you for giving, meeting and for this interaction. What's new is happening with you along with your product line? What's new at your end?
So, first of all, thank you, Dinesh, to join SPA. It is always a pleasure to have this kind of meeting with you. And we were joking about this is more or less the 10th times, more or less, that we are having this kind of stuff. So, this is always nice to have it. So, since 1 year and a half, more or less, I'm following the aerospace market from Marposs. That is pretty huge at the moment. Geopolitical situation connected to aerospace are booming, so we are trying to do our best with the Marposs product to support this kind of increasing.
Correct. And you recently went to United States.
Yeah.
And I saw a lot of beautiful photograph in LinkedIn and also. How do you see the US market, because you travel all over the world? How do you see the Marposs shape, the product or the industry shaping up for US, India and other parts? How do you see the demand of your product?
So I'm seeing a huge request for what concerns the North American market, to be honest. So we have one of the major sales contribution from the North American side.
Okay.
We are seeing that some other relevant countries, including India, are building opportunity in order to create new success in the coming years. What we are seeing is that for specific process control, we have the right products, we have the right solution to propose. For some other, we are trying to better understand the customer and the market request. In some cases, to develop customized solution using the technology that are currently in our portfolio.
Okay. And you say a lot of product process monitoring. So what sort of solution you have for aerospace industry? What is it like? You have a lot of brand names.
Yeah.
So what sort of solutions you have for?
So consider that mainly for the process monitoring and control, we have a solution that is well known and appreciated by OEM and customer. This solution is built onto the monitoring on the process. We can monitor several parameters, including vibration, collision monitoring. We could help to prevent the collision. So, just to be aware that for the process monitoring control, we have a stable solution that for the nowadays aerospace request we can currently propose. The solution could give the values to help to achieve the new increasing request from the aerospace market. So we could say that Marposs with this solution has a stable shot.
Okay, and when can we see you in India meeting Indian customers? And because I see you are there in Paris show, you are there in US, a lot of different parts of the, and like you said, 1.5 years, your entire focus is on aerospace. Wherever I see conferences, content related to aerospace, I see Federico Poli from Marposs. So when can we see you aggressively? I know that you have a big team in India, but when you will be, visiting India, reaching out?
Actually, I'm planning to see the remaining 6 months of the years.
Okay.
I do not know if I will be. I hope to be in India within the end of the year.
Okay.
We are arranging in October ending a huge a meeting specifically for the. We are trying to arrange this kind of meeting specifically for the aerospace matter.
Okay.
And they are evaluating the opportunity to host in the new tech center in Bangalore that you know pretty well. And also some upcoming exhibition in India. You were saying before the IMTAS one are currently much more specific for a space topic in the upcoming year. So I think that I should be there more or less within 1 year from now. I could have the opportunity to be there.
Thank you, Federico. I know it's unplanned, what you call the discussion, and there is no formal, questions and all said. But thank you for your time. And I personally wish you all the best and a lot of luck, because I see you, going all guns blazing, not only in India, not only in Italy, you are going everywhere. And because the way I see, there is a big show, Aero show coming in India, 2027 in the month of February, if I'm right. It's more than one of the biggest, I can say, aero show in the country. You have seen Paris, so
Yeah.
you should definitely see aero show in India. And wish you all the luck, and looking forward to see you in Namma Bengaluru. Thank you.
Nama Bangalore.
Thank you, Pauline.
Thank you.
Wish you a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.